My name is Christy Twinter. I'm the Executive Director at Edmond Mobile Meals. Edmond Mobile Meals is the Meals on Wheels program for the Edmond community. We were founded in 1974, and since then we've delivered about 1.3 million meals here in Edmond. We deliver meals to homebound elderly and disabled residents in our community. Homes by Tabor is one of our top community partners. We have large groups of employees who come and deliver meals for us, I believe at least once a month throughout the year. And our financial support that we receive from this partnership provides hundreds of meals for those individuals who are unable to prepare a meal for themselves and then who are unable to contribute financially towards the cost of the meal we provide to them. So volunteers from our community, including employees from Homes by Tabor, go out and deliver meals to them Monday through Friday to make sure that they have a nourishing meal to eat, as well as social contact from that face-to-face visit from the volunteers. I would just like to add that we are so grateful for the partnership with Homes by Tabor. I know that the employees who volunteer with us truly have a heart for giving back to the community. I know that Tabor has a heart for giving back to the community, and it takes all of us to make sure that our most vulnerable citizens are taken care of. We appreciate the support.